Ooh, Scotty's got his hair down. He looks like a pro wrestler. He's gonna be like, I'm gonna get you, Ric Flair, on Saturday night. Come on, that was funny.
I'm laughing, I promise.
You should be
So
for Halloween. We should all be pro wrestlers for Halloween. I think it'd be funny.
there goes my Marilyn Monroe outfit.
I got it. You could be a lucha libre. You could be an exotico.
I could be a Nacho Libre. What?
An exotico in lucha libre. An exotico is.
I'm familiar. Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so we're getting ready to do the upper ball joint, and I was trying.
Now you went from being an exotico to doing BJ's.
Yeah, exactly. All right, so back up, so we can get everything in the picture. Okay, I prep everything, get it ready to go, so it's within arm's reach of what I'm doing. You'd have to do something stupid to have to use that stuff. It'll ruin your kidneys.
Kidneys.
So
liver.
That one's loose, but not real bad.
Yeah.
Tight.
She's in. Wow. Now, mind you, we haven't touched these yet.
I haven't even got. I'm just now getting to them.
No. Wow. Anywho, and note, we're not using the bolts. We discussed this in the last video. The new ones are on the way.
Yep.
We will have them this afternoon.
This is.
I want to cry.
Yeah.
And you already have your new BJ in the
Yeah.
bottle.
I'm sorry. We already greased.
You lubed it.
If you look at the tip, you can see how it's dirty. She's
you
been
lubed up your dirty tip.
I lubed up my dirty tip. We got our new nut and cotter pin on it, so we know where it's at.
Go for a spindle once time. Yep. Look at this. Hey, Scotty, where were we? It's always good to have Victor.
Of course.
Stuff.
Right,
we
exactly.
always work together on things.
Yep.
So we're removing this BJ. And we lubed this one we talked about.
Yep, that one's all taken care of. We're not using those bolts because, yes, we both know that they are fucked beyond belief.
So you're pulling out the...
I'm pulling out. That's a shock. That's a complete shock.
Oh, my God. All right, so that's coming out.
Yeah, and then I'll go to the other side and
let's put the new one in.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I'll put the new one in this one, and then I'll go to the other side and I'll do the ball joints on that side.
And then we'll put the spindle in. Because we can change these bolts even when the spindle.
Oh yeah, that's not a big deal.
Yeah, they're just placeholders. Because you actually get all that together, the brakes on. Then you got to pull the steering box out, which remember, you got to mark the shaft.
I know how to do that.
You got to do something.
I'm actually pretty good.
With shafts?
Yes.
Oh, God.
Okay, it's just got to be loosened up more.
Yeah, just get them all loose and then swap them out. That's that. So get that done, and then you got Pitman arm and idler arm, which are here. Ironically, remember the first Pitman arm I ordered when we did the inspection? They sent me, it's like got some weird bolt-on ball joint in it. And I was like, oh, that's the wrong thing. So that's getting resolved. Our spring should be here today. FedEx dropped the ball. Shock.
Yeah.
Why do they all suck, Scott?
Trust me, if I knew, I'd be a rich man right now because I would improve a whole lot of things.
But you use Poe.
No, I'm sub-Poe. If I could move to Poe, not even poor, Poe, that would be a whole new tax bracket.
All right. So we will come back when this is out, and we'll show you putting in the new one.